In this video, I will explain you about buffered input stream and buffered output stream, as well as I will show you buffered reader and buffered writer. So I will explain about these classes with the help of some example program. So first I will explain you what my program is going to do. So I will take a file. Already we have seen file input stream and file output stream. So I will take one file and let the file name be test.txt. And in this, there is some message written, some string is written like learn Java programming. Okay, this is there. Now, how to read the data from this file? We require file input stream. Using file input stream, we can read the data. So the source of data is a file, and file input stream is meant for attaching to a source. But a buffer input stream doesn't attach to a source. It will attach to some stream. So we need file input stream. Over that, we will attach buffered input stream. Buffer is temporary memory area which will hold the data so that we can utilize the data smoothly. Like when you watch any video on YouTube, or if when you are watching this video also, the player is getting some video contents on your computer ahead of playing it. So wherever the playing cursor is, it is having extra contents also. So it is buffering them so that the video can play smoothly. So buffered are usually used for matching the speed in between the source and your machine, or destination and your machine. So it will be like this. Suppose this is a file. Okay. Over this we will attach file input stream. So this is FIS, file input stream. Over that we will attach a buffer input stream, that is BIS. And this is the program. So actually these are all contained inside the program, but let us look at it in the form of diagram. So program will get the data from buffered input stream, that will get the data from the file input stream, and it will fetch the data from a file. So we will look at this buffered input stream. I will change the arrow, direction of the arrow here. The data is coming inside file input stream. So this will be perfect. For writing the data in a file, we require file output stream. And over this we will attach buffered output stream. Now again, buffer, you know the role of a buffer, it is a temporary memory area. So if a program is sending the data onto a file, so it's better you store the data inside buffered output stream, then it will go to file output stream, right? Then it will be stored in a file. So in this way, you can utilize a buffer. Some data will be accumulated here, then you can flush it and it will go into a file. So I will give the demonstration for this, and also I will show you buffered reader. Okay, buffered reader. So we can easily observe the significant change. If when you are using simply file stream or buffered stream, there is some difference. But here when you are using file output stream or buffered output stream, we cannot observe the results, right? We cannot observe the changes. Like how you access file output stream, same way you can access it using buffered output stream. Also, there are no extra methods, or we cannot see the functionality of this one. So, but when you are using this, definitely the performance will be better. So in the demonstration, we look at these classes. This class is the same as file output stream. What you saw, same thing, you can try it by yourself. Okay, just you have to attach buffered output stream on the file output stream and you can check it by yourself. Let us look at a program. First of all, I will show you the file. See, file is there, test.txt. So I will type it and show you. See, it is having a contents, that is learn Java programming. It is having a sentence, learn Java programming. So this is the file that I will use in my program. So let us go to NetBeans. Inside NetBeans, already I have a project ready. So first step I will do import java.io. Now inside main method, first of all I will create an object of file and I will open the file. I am creating an object of file input stream. So here I should give the path of a file. So C:/myjava, then /test.txt. Then there is an error here. It says that I have to handle exception. So okay, I will write down throws exception in the signature of main method. So this error is gone. Now the buffered input stream. Buffered reference is BIS. To this I will create an object of buffered input stream and I will attach a file. So this is ready. This is the file. To that file input stream is connected, FIS. And the buffered input stream is connected upon FIS. So BIS is connected to FIS. That is, buffered input stream is connected to file input stream. Now I can read from file byte input stream as well as I can read it from file input stream. So already we have seen how to read the data from the file. Same thing I can do it via buffered input stream also. So I will write down the code for reading the data using buffered input stream byte by byte and I will print it. So using a while loop, already I have shown you in previous program. That loop I will show you working. Okay. Then we will learn more about buffered input stream. See, I have taken the integer variable x and using while loop I am reading until it reaches -1. Then I am printing all the letters. So this type of reading we did it in file input stream also. So I am doing it by using buffered input stream. So I got a message that is learn Java programming. So it is working. Now next we will see what is the benefit of using buffered input stream. So for that I will show you something. I will print here file input stream dot mark supported, yes or no. So this is for file. Then on buffer input stream mark supported, yes or no. I want to find out. That's it. Let us print these two things. So what I am doing here, finding out whether mark is supported on the file or not, and finding out whether mark is supported on buffered input stream or not. File is false, buffer is true. There's a spelling mistake here. Buffer is true. So on buffer, mark is supported. See, buffer is a temporary memory area for holding the data. So if there is a difference in the speed in between the device and the program, then we use buffer. Like if you watch any video online, like on YouTube, if you are watching a video, or this video when you are watching, it will first try to pull some video part of a video and put it in a buffer to make sure that a video can be played smoothly. So while it is playing, it is also loading the rest of the video inside and keeping it inside the buffer. So if there is a trouble in buffering, then we say video is buffering. So it will keep the data in the buffer. Okay, so that smoothly it can be used. So that is the benefit of buffer. So the data is there in the buffer. So mark and reset is supported. It is not supported on the file because files work just like audio tapes. If you have seen audio tapes, head will move just forward. You cannot move the head backward. You can rewind, but you cannot read backward. In our computer system, file system works in the same way only. It will move only in the forward direction. You cannot move it back to few bytes. If you want, then you need buffered input stream. Let us use this mark and see how it works. So my file contains learn Java programming. So what I will do is, using byte input stream, I will read first byte. Okay, L. This will read L. So I will copy this entire line. Paste. So this will read two things, right? L, E, two letters. Then it will read third letter. So L, E, A. After reading three letters, I will set a mark on this one. So mark, and how long you want this mark to be valid? Up to 10 letters. Okay. Then after that, I will read two more. So what it will be? This is L, E, A, R. So mark is on R. And next I am reading R. Then earn. Mark was set on R. So it will print R as well as N. Then after reading two letters, I will say BIS dot reset. I will reset it. After resetting, again I will print one more letter. So RN should appear two times because it will read then reset, again go back on R, then again it should print R and N. Let us see. Oh, I am getting ASCII codes. Okay, I will typecast all these, and also I will remove printlns. So this is learn, and then Rn is also printed. So that's what we have to learn, that in buffer input stream, if we are reading the letters also, we can go back and again read them. So by setting a mark for some valid limit, we can set a mark, then again we can reset and read it. So this is the proof that a buffered input stream is holding the data. That's it about buffered input stream. Now next I have to show you buffered reader. So I will not type the program once again. I will use the same program for buffered reader. So I will modify it. File input stream, file reader. I will copy this reader, and this file input stream, this also is a reader. Buffered input stream becomes buffered reader, and this also buffered input stream becomes a buffered reader. I will not change the references. I don't have to make any changes. See, there is no error in the program. It works perfectly. It means, yes, I will run. Yes, it is working. See, the procedure of writing the code and the syntax and methods, everything is same. Only the change of name. So it is just like whom you want to play the role. Whether you want file input stream to play the role or whether you want file reader to play the role. They will perform the same role, but some different in their behavior. Like this buffer reader is used for characters, or file reader is used for characters. So when you really have Unicodes, then these are much useful. If you have just bytes, that is ASCII codes, just ASCII codes, bytes, then you can go with the byte buffered input stream and file input stream. That is enough. You don't require reader. So that's it. There is no difference. But there is one more thing inside buffer reader that I will show you. Buffered input stream, BIS, that is for buffered reader, dot read line. This method is there. This was not there in buffered input stream because this is for character stream. So set of character makes a string. So read line method is available in this one. So I will use this read line method and I will directly print the output. And inside this, I will give a message also. That is, this is a string. I am reading it. Okay. So it will read the remaining string. See, learn, then Rn, then the string is Java programming. It is reading the remaining. See, in buffer reader, we have already taken the input till N. Then after that space and then Java programming. So that entire thing, it is reading it as a string. So this is the benefit of buffer reader. You can read lines from your file or from the stream. So that's all in this video. I have shown you buffered input stream as well as buffered reader.